guys, the bathroom transformation is about to begin, or bathroom projects. You can see their ladder, their walk tool. We have their walk tool here, so it's about to start. The project is about to begin. I can't wait, guys. When they finish, it's all over. You guys should get ready for me. It's all over. It's all over. It's all over. I can't wait. So super excited. Guys,
coming fast, it broke the wall. Scattered glass across the floor. I know this is the final war. There's no use trying to pretend. There's no way to comprehend. No way back, no way to mend. This means we have to end. Take your brokenness and go. You're not welcome anymore. There's no forgiveness in these eyes. Been down this road too many times. Take your brokenness and go. Baby, I can't fix that hole. I'm done being the target of your crazy lies. Do what you can to save your life. Mean words and your evil ways can make the strongest person break. You make me feel less than small. You tore me like a wrecking ball. You hit like an earthquake. There's no room for one mistake. Pick up your stuff and leave. Agree to disagree. So take your brokenness and go. You're not welcome anymore. There's no forgiveness in these eyes. Been down this road too many times. Take your brokenness and go. Baby, I can't fix that hole. I'm done being the target of your crazy lies. Do what you can to save your life. You came with darkness, now I'm turning toward the light. You can't patch this up, I want you out of sight. Take your brokenness and go. Baby, I can't fix that hole. I'm done being the target of your crazy lies.
Do what you can to save your life.
Take your brokenness and go. You're not welcome anymore. There's no forgiveness in these eyes. Been down this road too many times. Take your brokenness and go. Baby, I can't fix that hole. I'm done being the target of your crazy lies. Do what you can to save your life. Take your brokenness and go. You're not welcome anymore. There's no forgiveness in
So guys, this is the shower door. It's black. I forgot that it's black. But hubby was like, we should buy the first set black since the door is black. I thought it's only the handle that is black. I didn't even know that it's round this thing. And if I got a meeting, well, I bet we could have bought it black. Oh. Let me see if he can return it. But if not, we'll leave it like that. Then only this place will be black, which will be given off. But yeah, I know I could have changed the mirror to black instead. But all the same, it's not bad. We'll use it like that. I'm not a home decor, so I'm learning. And also, we're looking at our money. So yeah, so this is what you're having so far. The glass door. I don't know. I don't want to step. Let me see. The glass door. So yeah, this is the glass door. So beautiful. Go out. Go. Anywhere you go, you follow me. Mama's boy. I'll come to you. So, but they went for lunch. Like, they went out. Hello guys, how you doing? Good evening. Yeah, see my hair. Then loose to my cornrow. I've taken off my cornrow. I want to do another one, but for now, let breeze air enter my hair. That's what I do. I take it off, carry my natural hair for like 1 week, then 1 week or 2 weeks sometimes, so I can be pouring water and air can be entering. Then when I'm about to make it, I wash my hair a day before, then I go do another cornrow. So I don't like losing immediately, going to do immediately on the next day because it will be painful. So that's what I do. So for now, I lost this hair like yesterday. So yeah. So guys, I want to study now. I have a question I'm answering, so I want to finish the question this night and see if I can study like 1 or 2 topics from my notes, then go to sleep. Although I'm feeling sleepy, but I pray I struggle to finish the question. When I don't study my notes, I can sleep. You can see my children, my sons, they're already sleeping. I try to be putting them to sleep latest 8 o'clock or after 8, but latest 8 o'clock. I did it yesterday and I did it today, so that's the routine. I want to try to like imply that bedtime routine. Once it's 8 o'clock, they're at bed, and it's going so well. Yesterday and today went so well. So yeah, they're asleep now. I have my fruits. I know it's late at night, but I have my fruits to make. The time is 11. The time is 11:18. It's so late, but again, like I said, I'm gonna study before I sleep. No matter what, there is a night. I'll see what I can pray to this night before I sleep. But yeah, basically, that's what I'm gonna be doing. Ciao.